You need to feel it to manifest it. Your feelings are like the fuel for your manifestation. So if you want to manifest fastly, and if you want to manifest effortlessly, and if you want to manifest every single time when you set an intention and use a manifestation technique, then you have to understand how your feelings affect your manifestation. So why do you have to feel it to create it? Let's break it down. What is emotion? What do I always tell you about emotion? Emotion is energy in motion. Since we live in the energetic universe, we live in an infinite quantum field of potential. Everything is energy in this universe, and your emotions are no exception. Actually, your emotions create you. They create your energy. They create you on an energetic level. They create your frequency. They create your vibration. They create the energetic signature that you then send out into the universe. And you always get in your reality things that are in alignment with this energetic signature. So we have high vibrational emotions, which bring you high energy, positive energy, fast energy, energy that allows you to create. And these emotions are positive emotions. There are emotions like joy, love, happiness, gratitude, and many, many more. And on the other hand, we have low vibrational emotions, which give you low energy, which is actually like so slow, and it's preventing you from achieving your higher potential. It's preventing you from getting your manifestations, and also from creating for yourself a beautiful, harmonious reality. So these emotions are negative emotions. So these are emotions like anger, sadness, resentment, not feeling good enough, and many, many more. So in a nutshell, any positive emotion you feel is high vibrational and gives you energetic boost and gets you onto a higher frequency, and the better your frequency, the better your overall reality. And any negative emotion you feel gets you on a lower frequency, and you start getting in your reality things that are alignment with this lower frequency, since you always get what you're vibrating on, right? And it doesn't necessarily mean that you never can feel a negative emotion, because if you feel a negative emotion, then you're just vibrating a low frequency and you're ruining your entire reality. No. It's all about balance. Like, we are human beings. We are meant to experience every emotion because we learn about ourselves and about our personal journey and spiritual journey and personal development journey through our emotions. So you are allowed to feel every emotion. You can feel any negative emotion, but you don't have to make this emotion a part of your identity. You don't have to make this emotion a part of who you are. Now, this is very important. You can experience a negative emotion, you can understand it, and you can release it, or you can experience a negative emotion and you can make this negative emotion your entire identity. And when you do this, now then your entire 3D reality just starts to reflect the frequency created by this dominant emotional state, and then you may not enjoy your reality. But if you just feel it and release it and come back to your like higher emotional state, better emotional state, then you're still on this better frequency, because the key is to feel good majority of the time. The key is not to feel good all the time, just majority of the time. Trust me, it's enough. You're a human being. You're about to cry, you're about to release, you're about to get angry. Like, these are all normal things, but you don't have to make this emotion a part of your identity, right? Okay, so why did I even explain to you what are emotions and why emotions are energy and stuff like that? Because as I said, you have to feel it to manifest it. And I hope that right now you understand the sentence a little bit better, because emotions are energy, right? So you have to feel it to manifest it. Thus you create through energy. You are energy and you create with your energy. So if your energy is low, thus if your emotions are low, do you think you can create something with this type of energy? Do you think you have enough energetic capacity to create something new, something high vibrational, something that requires a much faster, higher energy? Do you think you can create it if you're constantly vibrating on a low frequency? No. So when we think about manifestation and when we think about feeling like you already have it and feeling how would it be to have your manifestation in the present moment, it's all about embodying these positive emotions your manifestations would give you. And we do this because the more we feel these emotions, the more we create through the energy these emotions bring us. And this is the only way to actually create this manifestation in your tangible 3D reality. You have to align with your manifestation vibrationally. You have to hop onto the same frequency as your manifestation. And the way to do this is through feeling like you already have it. That's why everyone in the law of attraction always tells you, act as if you already have it, act as if you already have it. Why? Because it gets you onto that frequency. It allows you to send out this energy into the universe, and the universe has to mirror this energy. Same with the law of assumption. Like what Neville Goddard always told you, live in the state of your wish fulfilled. And what does it mean to live in a state of your wish fulfilled? Feel like you already have it. Feel your manifestation. Feel like your manifestation is already a present reality. And the more you feel it, the more you create it in your 3D reality, because you become that energy. And when you become that energy, everything in your reality aligns with this energy. So this is how you create your manifestation. This is how you manifest. This is the key to manifesting every time. This is the key to make manifestation work for you whenever you want. This is the key to manifesting anything you want, or just harmonizing your entire reality, whatever you want. Like this is the key. You have to feel it to create it in your 3D reality, because your emotions are the fuel. Your emotions are the energetic fuel for your manifestation. So the more you feel it, the quicker you manifest it in your 3D reality, because it's already present. Your manifestation is already present at quantum level, since any moment we experience actually a present moment. So when you feel it in the present moment, you create it in the present moment. And all you have to do is allow it through aligning your energy to appear in your physical reality, in your 3D reality. So think about what you want to manifest. Maybe you want to manifest more money. Maybe you want to manifest a perfect relationship with the love of your life. Maybe you want to manifest a certain type of a career. Maybe you want to manifest a certain car. Maybe you want to manifest more success. Maybe you want to manifest a certain type of a house. Maybe you want to manifest all these things, because all these things are just a part of a certain lifestyle that you have created in your mind for yourself. And this is 100% okay too. You can just like create like this wider umbrella for your manifestation, and all of these things just go under this umbrella, and this is 100% okay too. The key is to ask yourself, how would you feel if you already had this manifestation? How would you feel if this manifestation was already a part of your reality? How would you feel if you were experiencing it now in the present moment? How would you feel? And if you want a little bit of like help with this, like you can just write it down, like just do a scripting session, just write it down and discover what kind of emotions your manifestation gives you, and then every single day deliberately start brainwashing yourself for this manifestation through positive affirmations that will allow you to feel like you already have your manifestation, through vision boards, which will also allow you to feel like you already have a manifestation, or just like by doing a scripting session or guided meditations or whatever, like anything that will help you to get into this feeling state, because the more you feel it, the faster you'll create it in your 3D reality. So I hope this is helpful, and I hope that right now you a little bit better understand why you have to feel it to manifest it, because everything is energy in this universe. Get onto the frequency of your manifestation and you're going to get your manifestation. This is the universal law. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.